Assalamu alaikum viewers. For today's drawing we need an eraser, a pencil along with some colors. So let's get started. Today we are going to draw this Mickey Mouse as drawing with fun. For drawing this Mickey Mouse, first of all we will draw its face. For face drawing, we have to make some two curves and then a big oval shape so that we can form his face. Make two curves and join them with a line. Now after that we are going to draw his head area. Mark a point at the center of his face and draw a round circle. Now we are going to draw his ears, round and big ears. After that, we will make his nose an oval shaped nose. Now comes the turn of eyes. Draw two big oval shaped eyes. Follow the instructions carefully and you will be able to draw similarly. Now mix a smile on his face. Now we will draw his body. For drawing his body shape, you have to draw two lines, two curved lines. Make another curve in the middle of these lines. Now mark a point, make a little curve and two little lines. Now join these lines to the main lines to shape his pajamas. Make two circles as indicated. For drawing his arms, start from the body, make two curved lines, join them with a curve, again make a big curve, now shape his fingers to complete his hand. Repeat the same process on the other hand. For completing his feet drawing, first of all you have to make two curved lines. Join them with another curve. Again make two curves and make big curves on both sides and join them to shape his feet. Similarly, repeat the same process on the other hand. Make two curves. Now draw his tail. Make a black outline of your drawing. Now it's time to make your drawing colorful and presentable.